Hello everyone and welcome to the Unbiased PurePap Cleaner Reviews. Friends, today we will analyze whether PurePap Cleaner is a legit product or not. This product is sold on the site which is called purepap.com. So it is not our website and our only motive is to make you aware of the various online sites as well as the products. So, are you a cleanliness freak? I think PurePap Cleaner can be the ultimate product for you. It disinfects all the equipments including tube, mask, water, chamber. So you can see the design and it cost $119.95. So it is a discounted price. It can be obtained by free shipping. So let's find out the properties of PurePap Cleaner. So it guarantees universal design. It also promises fast cleaning and speedy sanitization, which is not hours but in just 30 minutes. It offers low maintenance and it is filter free. And it promises to kill 99% of bacteria and germs. So, the size of the PurePap Cleaner is extremely light. It is a compact design and it is easiest to use, and also it takes no time, and it has a powerful double fan. So if you check out the reviews of this product, it has good reviews. It has 5-star rating from its previous buyers. So you can see the people are quite happy, and they are recommending the people who wants to disinfect the various products, various equipments at their home. This product could be very much helpful for them. The first advantage is that it weighs just half a pound, so it can be carried from one place to another, and its price is very much cost effective and it works quite effectively. So it guarantees to disinfect with a 99% effectiveness in killing all the germs and bacteria at once. Also friends, I tried to find out its reviews and feedback on the other search engines, and I was quite convinced with the reviews. Everybody has praised about this product and they have recommended. So if you want to have a look at the policy of the site which is selling this product, if you want to return, you can return it within 16 days and you will get a refund. They have also mentioned their email ID, support@purepap.com. Also, if you want to know about their information, they have given their number and also their email ID. Plus, if you want to know about the terms and conditions, you can just click it over here. You will get to know more about this website with the phone number and the email ID as well. And most of all, the customer reviews, which I already mentioned you, they are quite convincing. So friends, looking at the properties and the advantages of this product, and also the cost, and also the customer reviews, I would like to say that this product is highly effective and also a legit one. The online buyers are highly recommended to buy this product if they want to clean the equipments in no time. So friends, if you have any experiences, suggestions regarding this product, you can mention it in the comment box. Also, do subscribe the channel as it will help you to know more about the sites as well as the products available online. Also, do like the video and share the video as well. Thank you very much and have a great day.